I have a mason jar sealer, but mine doesn't come with its own lids like this one. This one was sent to me by the company, and it comes with its own lids. This box contains an instruction booklet, 2 vacuum seal bags, a USB charging cord, and lids for both regular and wide mouth jars, plus of course, the sealer itself. And something I really like is that it has this little hanging hook, so you can hang it up instead of cramming it in a drawer, which makes it super easy to grab when you need it. It has a digital display that shows you the battery percentage every time you press the power button. Charging takes about 2 hours and lasts long enough to do over 150 seals per charge, so battery life should never be an issue. Let's do a couple of tests. First, I'm going to seal some blackberries in a wide mouth jar today. I like to use the outer ring from the lid to help hold everything in place. It just keeps it steady while the sealer does its job. Then I place the sealer right on top, press the power button, and it just gets going. It's surprisingly quiet, and it doesn't shake or move around like some of the others I've tried. This took about 12 seconds, and then it stopped on its own. That auto stop feature is super helpful because I don't have to guess when it's done. You just wait for it to finish. And that pop that you just heard, that's how you know it's sealed tight and everything inside is now fully vacuum packed. And there it is again. That second pop when I take the lid off just confirms the seal was solid. Now I'm sealing a regular mouth jelly jar. This size is perfect for things you want to store in the fridge, like homemade sauces, dips and spreads, baby food, or even overnight oats. They're great to prep ahead for work, school, or just have on hand for a really quick snack. Same steps here. Set it on top, press the button, and then you're done. And there's that second pop again, just confirming that your seal was solid. Now let's test out the vacuum bags. You're given a slider clip to help close the top of the bag before sealing, but most of us are going to lose that, so instead I just run my finger along the edge of the bag and it seals it up just fine. Now I'm going to place the sealer right over the little valve on the bag. I'm going to apply a little bit of pressure and let it do its thing. So after 17 seconds, all of the air is pulled out and you can see how tight this seal is. There's no air left in this bag whatsoever. This works perfectly for leftovers, especially if you're trying to keep things like cooked meats or veggies fresh for later in the week. And the best part is that these bags are completely washable. You just use a little bit of soap and water, rinse them out, hang them up to dry, and they're totally reusable, which I love. These lids are actually specialty lids because they have a little air valve built into them, which allows the vacuum sealer to work properly. So if you ever need replacements, the company does offer more lids that are made specifically for this sealer. However, I wasn't able to find any extra vacuum bags offered just yet, so hopefully that's something that they're going to add in the future. I think this sealer is absolutely fantastic. It's super easy to use, it's really convenient to store and grab when I need it, and it'll help my fruit and veggies last longer in the fridge.